What is measles? Measles is a highly contagious viral infection. It is characterized by a red, blotchy rash, fever, cough, and runny nose. It's caused by the measles virus, a highly contagious virus that spreads through the air through respiratory droplets that are released when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Measles can be very serious, especially for young children and those with weakened immune systems, potentially leading to complications like pneumonia, brain inflammation, encephalitis, and even death. While measles is generally preventable through vaccination, outbreaks can still occur. What causes measles? Measles is caused by the measles virus, a highly contagious virus that spreads through the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes. It's a single-stranded, negative-sense enveloped RNA virus of the genus Morbillivirus. The virus is spread through close personal contact or direct contact with respiratory secretions. So this virus spreads through the air via respiratory droplets released when an infected person coughs or sneezes. These droplets can remain suspended in the air or land on surfaces where they can be inhaled or picked up by others, leading to infection. The virus can also survive in the air for up to 2 hours after an infected person has left the area. What are the symptoms of measles? Symptoms typically appear 10 to 14 days after infection and include high fever. Temperatures can reach 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Cough. A dry, persistent cough is common. Runny nose. A stuffy or runny nose is another early sign. Red, watery eyes, also called conjunctivitis. It is known as pink eye. Koplik spots. These are small, white or bluish-white spots, with red borders inside the mouth, which may appear before the rash. Rash. A red blotchy rash that usually starts on the face and neck, spreading down the body. The rash may be more difficult to see on darker skin tones. How contagious is measles? Measles is extremely contagious. If one person has measles, up to 90% of non-immune people close to them will also become infected. Individuals can spread the virus from 4 days before the rash appears until 4 to 6 days after it appears. What are the potential complications of measles? Measles can lead to serious complications, including ear infections. Measles can lead to hearing loss. Pneumonia. Measles can cause a lung infection that can be severe. Diarrhea. It is especially common in young children. Encephalitis. It is the inflammation of the brain, which can cause seizures, brain damage, and even death. Subacute sclerosing panencephalitis. It is a rare, but fatal, degenerative disease of the central nervous system that can occur years after a measles infection. How can measles be prevented? Measles is preventable through vaccination. The MMR vaccine, measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine provides excellent protection against measles. 2 doses of the MMR vaccine are recommended for children, and it is also available for adults who haven't been vaccinated or who may be susceptible. Vaccination is the most effective way to protect yourself and others from measles.